Hey guys, Triple here. Today we're gonna be doing another toy review. Today we're gonna be doing two, and that one is Bonnie. So he has his ears being intensified. He has a disconnected jaw. Get back to. I don't know what these openings are called. Yeah. So he has no eyebrows and he's mad. But he's happy because he's cute. I'm not even sure if his eyes are pink in the game. Magenta-ish, too. Look at his eyes. Eyes intensify! Okay. I'll move that off the pause button. So we'll go on. So, his boat is the same thing as Freddy's. Nothing. I'm sorry. So he has a rouge bow tie. Think that's in French. Hashtag red. So I'm the what is this color? New color. What's that color? It is whitish pink. It's not even pink. Purplish pink. Purplish white. Okay. There's no back detail or detail. There's no bottom detail or top detail on his ears. So they're pretty boring. So then we even want to be Yoda. I just got this today and it's a new snowman plush. Chi. His name is Snowman. If you came and felt this, you would be surprised as felt it in the snowman. So it has red and green and red dots. That's wow, can't believe I can trick me. Look into his thing. Was it lagging before? Yeah, it was. Look into his thing. It's not lagging anymore for some reason. No, it is. Sure, it's just a computer. Here's a Christmas. Oh my god. Cutest thing in the world. Watching YouTube. Disconnect the channel. No! So he has his Christmas hat. Which is actually inside some reason. So, and then he has his sticks like a normal snowman. Golly again. So then he has his other stick. It's not really much. He has cute eyes. Look at him. Look at those eyes. And then he has a carrot nose. Pretty shiny. I think you guys can see it. Lots shining. And then there he has a dot for a smile. We look identical. No, we don't. So that's really it. Wait. What about that? I got another one today. Oh, there. That broom is not even plushy. Why do I show toys not? Why do I show plushies, not toys? Should be a plush review, not a toy review, and not a toy review because that damn it hat I got today. I was wearing one of these on one of my videos, but that was my old one. That's a new one. I got it. Here's my old one. It was right next to my new one. Look how old it looks. Side. There's a whole bunch of holes in it, like up here, like up here. It's not even soft anymore. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. So new. Like this is like not even soft, but it looks pretty cool. But this is broken. So wait, here's that. Why? Because I would just no, I can't wear it. Wear it anyway. Oh my god, it feels so warm. So here's me wearing it. So it feels so soft. I feel it. It's not really that soft, but good anyway because it's new, brand new. Never worn it before. So yeah, I got nothing else except that. Oh, it's kind of a vlog slash video too. If you would go over here, there he is. My elf on the shelf is right over there. And then to the Christmas sign up there. So yeah, that's really it. Today, let's go and finish it off on my couch. So that's really it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.